What's up, everyone? It's your boy Jackeal here, your guide to living with Apple every day. And today we're going to be erasing all the content and factory resetting your M2 MacBook Air. Without further ado, let's get started. And by the way, the whole process takes like less than 2 minutes. All right, because watch this. Alrighty, so you scroll to the top left right here on the Apple symbol. You click it and you click on System Settings. On the left, you're going to scroll down to where it says General. You're going to click on that. And then, no, not at the top, Jack. Keep moving the cursor. Down, down, a little bit more down. Okay, you found it. You're going to click on Transfer or Reset. We also have the timer on the right to show you that it takes about 2 minutes. Now, you don't click on Migration Assistance. You actually click on Erase All Content and Settings. Now, you have to enter your password that you use to log in. In other words, it's your administrative password, it's your login password for your laptop, etc. So, erase all content and settings. Your Touch ID will also be erased and or forgotten if you made one. All fingerprints used for unlocking this Mac ID purchases, etc. will be erased / removed. Okay, so you click it. It says you are about to erase all content and settings from this Mac. All data, settings, and apps will be erased. This cannot be undone. Your screen may be dark while your Mac is being erased, and your Mac may restart more than once. This process is complete when your Mac displays hello on the screen. Erase all content and settings. So we click on Erase All Content and Settings, and ta-da! Okay, there you go. So you saw it took a few seconds for the screen to go dark. Yep, and I'm wondering when the screen will turn on. Nope, not yet. Oh, yay. Okay, so the screen is going to restart. Who knows how long this is going to take. Of course, post-editing, I know how long it takes, but at the moment, I thought I was prepared for it to be anywhere from 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 to 2 hours. Come on, finish up. Okay, so it reset. If you got value from this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I only do Ever-related content. Wow, I only ever do Apple-related content. So if you love Apple, make sure you subscribe. Help me reach 1 million subscribers. I think the baby just woke up.